Sometimes in life, your garage is a little too small for two vehicles, but I'll show you guys the technique. Here's why we have the running boards here on the FJ Cruiser and the rock sliders here. So we're gonna kind of just sort of suck it in, and just like that, we're in. It's a little dark in here. Conditions aren't that prime to install a screen protector, so we'll hold back outside. Alrighty, so the interior of the 2022 Tundra, gotta say it right, Tundra, is getting some protection here on the infotainment system on my 8-inch screen. Ain't the big boy, not the 14-inch screen, but it does the job just fine. The instrument cluster as well, because this material right here is like known to be the cheapest material used by Toyota in existence. Just like that, I left a signature. So that's getting protected, as well as the screen right here from Screen Protect. They have a glossy screen protector or clear, and also a matte finish, which might have been good too, because it might reduce those fingerprints and whatnot, and reduce the glare as well that hits me at certain angles. So save us from the nasty wear and tear from, you know, when you get a full tank of gas, you just kind of want to be like, look, that's not even my gas area. There we go. Look, I have a full tank of gas. Yeah, see? And then you just end up with scratches, just like that. So that is no longer going to be an issue. Also, too, I talked to this company, and apparently they're doing some protectors for this someday in the future, because yeah, mine's pretty clapped out already, and I barely even touch it. So everything in here is like really cheap as far as like the shiny stuff goes, or the clear stuff. I say we get to it. All right, so I've already taken the liberty of pulling out the little spray bottle it came with. In there, it came with like some soap. All you do is add water and shake it up, then that's your soapy solution right there. And then in the kit comes the screen protector and a QR code for some instructions, squeegee, and a cloth. Here are the screen protectors, and let's get right to it. We're gonna wipe it down after we spray it with the soapy solution, give it a nice mist, nothing crazy, and then take the provided cloth here and then give it a good little wipe down. Get all the smudge off. I'm gonna spray it again, just a nice mist, and then hit it with a squeegee. Grab that towel, wipe off the squeegee, like that. Now we're ready for install. Spray it again, grab the screen protector itself. I'm gonna peel it, and then right when I peel it, I'm gonna also spray this thing as well. And then just set it on there. I'm gonna spray a little bit more because it's not moving the way I'd like it to. There we go, much better. Okay. So yeah, perfect. That fitment's perfect too. Okay, so now it's right where I want it. I'm gonna spray the top again so my squeegee can glide. And I'm gonna hold it on one side right here, my two fingers. Squeegee out from the center, out. So from the center out right there. Just like that, and then hit it down. Kind of tacky, so I'll spray a little more. That took literally like 20 seconds. First impressions, I mean, it looks awesome. The fitment's perfect too. Corner to corner, underneath the volume knob. I mean, the cut is precise as can be, and a very shiny finish to it. So, looks good. Everything you do on here is touch for the most part, except for the volume there. Everything else is touch, so it's nice having, I guess, a little bit of protection there for the sake of just being so hands-on with it. But where the protection's really gonna count is right here on the instrument cluster, because this thing is terrible, dude. Like, even a like not perfect microfiber towel will scratch this thing up right here over time. It'll just look horrible and just all bad. So I'm gonna lay down the protector here. Now, supposedly this thing right here is going to tuck behind all these plastic trims as well. So we'll see how the fitment goes right there, but as I can see so far, it is shaped to the contour of that trim piece right there on the bottom. So let's throw on some solution and see how she fits. Give her a little mist real quick, and then wipe it down with the towel first and foremost. Get all that grime out of there. Hello, crows. Mist it one more time. Be a little more generous with it this time, because last time I did not install enough on the screen. And now I'm gonna peel off the screen protector. Spray this real good to where it's almost dripping pretty much. That's perfect. And then carefully fit it through the steering wheel. Try not to make contact with anything else. And then boom, throw it on just like so. Now I'm gonna slide it into position. And yeah, it definitely does tuck behind the plastic. So that's pretty cool right there. So I don't see the edge of the screen protector. Right about there looks perfect. Right there. All right, so with it in place, I'm gonna spray the top of it and grab my squeegee and then start from the middle. Work my way out, left and right, top to bottom. The tripod's in my lap right now, so hopefully the angle's looking good. But as you guys can see, pushes the water right out. And it's important to have some lubricant here on the top as well, so we can glide it out better, push the water out easier with the squeegee on top of the material here. It glides a lot easier doing it that way. So just like that, looking good. Hit this left corner on top, squeegee it all out, spray a little more of this. Gotta keep it wet. Oops, wrong way. There we go. And look at that, dude. Easy. Couldn't be any easier, honestly, too. If you guys have had no experience with like installing even a bumper sticker, this is pretty straightforward. It comes with everything you need in the kit except for a little bit of water that you fill up the provided spray bottle with. It already has the soap in there for the perfect mixture. Just fill that little spray bottle up to the top with water, and that's your perfect ratio of solution to water. But I mean, just like that, dude. Not much more to it than that right there. Very, very easy to install. It took a few minutes, and that's it. Very nice fit. They do offer a matte finish to reduce that glare and the look of the fingerprints as well. And then of course, it's good to have protection on here as well. If there's any bit of haziness, which I don't see much, I see a little bit on here because it's more like transparent. That should fade away in about a couple of days to a week, I guess upwards of a month or something like that, depending on where you live, if it's warmer. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you to Screen Protec. There is their socials right there. I'll have them linked below. Check them out. So far, so good. Simple to install. Feels nice and thick too. Has a very soft finish to it, which might help with like the impact resistance if you have people that love to just kind of, you know what I mean? All right, so I'm having a little like late night, just spontaneous idea right now to throw some blue to match the body of the truck on the Toyota badge. What do you think? I don't know. Is it too much or not enough?
It could be a little too much.
Think so?
If you do blue.
I feel like it might work though.
Is there any other color you could do?
I could do white.
White might actually be dope.
Tomorrow's Cars and Coffee, so I kind of want to pull up and do something different. We'll start with blue, since white sounds like a safe option. And then if blue looks tacky, we'll just go to white.
Yeah.
I want to try blue really bad. I feel like if I did white and I'm like, yeah, I kind of like that, then I'd always wonder what blue's like.
Okay.
So I'll do blue first, since that one's riskier.
You're always the risky decision maker.
You're the safe one.
I'm pretty safe in my decisions.
That's why I wrapped this thing in Battleship Gray for you. So you can still drive it and not be like, oh, it's too much. It's like, too aggressive. It's too loud.
It's too loud.
Too many stairs.
I hate these.
You would hate driving this thing then.
I hate attention on me. Like,
then don't drive that truck right there.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
It is kind of cool because like when you're driving it, I'm like, oh wow, like that's so cool. It's like on you. But like, I'm just like an accessory.
Boys' truck's all done, sitting over there, ready for tomorrow. Early morning tomorrow. I am not a morning person. You know that. I don't think you are either.
That's why I'm not going.
Yeah, pretty much. Out with the halogen and in with the LED headlights, dude. Check these things out right here. So much better of a look right there. I mean, the light output's insane, but just the, like, I don't know, the LED look, dude, is insane. We have some pod lights now. Everything's all wired in, switch right here. That is the pod lights right there, dude. Check those things out. Turn the headlights off. That's just pods right there. Got the spotlights in. Turn those off, hit the center bar. Dude, that's so sick. And we'll do both actually right there. Hey, dude, that's insane. and then with the headlights, and the headlights do have brights too. So yeah, we got some light, my boy. Oh my goodness, dude. And this right here is a very dark street. Well, there's some light over here, but I mean, dude, we got some light, my guy. Oh my gosh. Check this thing out. It's so sick. I also added one more little addition here to the inside of the truck. That's right, we added the PA system right here, which I'm sure he will enjoy. This right here, I need to mount up somewhere. Don't know exactly where I'm putting it yet, but that's going on tomorrow with the B-pillar wrap as well. But just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we have ourselves a PA system. This thing is so much fun. Oh yeah, he might like that one. So anyways, that's pretty much a wrap for tonight. See you guys tomorrow. The baby blue Bronco, dude, check this thing out. That thing is so sick. It's a factory color. That's insane. We have the best seats in the house up here. Dude, this is insane.
No, it's just really coincidental. We all just showed up together.
Wrap up these pillars right here because they are all faded out. So I'm gonna hit these with a nice fresh satin black wrap, and then this thing is pretty much ready to go home. So let's get to it. Alrighty, and just like that, this thing is a complete and total wrap, dude. Ready to go home. Got all the lights wired in, dude. That is the biggest for me, like the coolest thing we added to it was all the cube lights with the light bar, the LEDs and the fogs, the headlights, dude. Such a difference. Fully transformed truck now. It's a bunch of little stuff, but I mean, dude, look at this thing now. Looks really good. Also, I went and blacked out the center of the grill here too. PA system in there too. He's gonna love that, dude. That's about it for today's video, but I'll see you guys very soon on the next one. Peace out.